Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create an avatar on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and you want to create your own avatar, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then select account center, select profiles, select your Instagram account, select avatar option here, and here you will get two options, which is create from selfie or create manually. You can easily select for your preference, and I'm going to select create manually from here. First of all, just select a skin tone or skin color. I'm going to select this one, just tap on it and just wait for its loading. You can easily change if you want, and after that just tap on this next icon, just tap on it, and here just select your hairstyle. As let's say I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and then you can easily change the color of your hairs if you want. After that just tap on next option. From here just select your face shape. There are different shapes, you can easily select which one you want. As I'm going to select this one, here's the see all option. You can see different face shapes from here. You can easily customize it manually if you want, and I'm going to select, let's see this one, just tap on it, then tap on next, and here you'll get the body type. You just have to select body type which you want. There are different types, you must have to select which one you want. From here you can easily customize your body type. As I have selected this one, tap on continue, and here you just select some outfit. You just have to select anyone which you want. From here I'm going to select, let's see this one, just tap on it and your outfit will be changed. Now tap on done and then tap on save. In this way you can easily create an avatar on Instagram. You must have to wait for the saving, and after that your avatar will be uploaded to your Instagram account. So after that just go back and here just refresh and you will get your Instagram avatar on your profile icon in a while. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.